ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತರ್ಜಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸುವ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿ
www.bangalore-newsnetwork.com
www.bangalore-newsnetwork.com.
From ISRE, Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, we are a society of individual engineers. The objective of ISRE is dissemination of knowledge. Knowledge is power. We disseminate knowledge through seminars, workshops as well as panel discussions. I would like to tell you about a mega event what ISRE conducts, that is ACREX. ACREX is South Asia's largest exposition on air conditioning, refrigeration and allied services. It comes in rotation between Delhi, Mumbai as well as Bangalore. This year you are going to see ACREX 2014 in Delhi on 27th, 28th February as well as 1st March. You will be able to see lot of energy saving projects, products, as well as you will be having lot of seminars as well as workshops. As you know, air conditioning is no longer a luxury. You can see each and every application having air conditioning. Without air conditioning, really there is no application. That's what I can say there. But air conditioning approximately consumes 40 to 50% of the connected electrical power. So we have to save a lot of power. I can say that 1 unit saved is 1 unit produced. So we go with energy efficient air conditioning systems. We do not have ozone depleting refrigerants, so that we have a green environment for that. Today we are going to witness a panel discussion on integrated approach to project delivery. As you know, in any project we have owners, we have architects, we have project managers, consultants, contractors, manufacturers. All have to work together. All should be on the same page. Then only the project will come well. Whatever the energy saving green parameters we design, it has to be really seen in the field. So we are going to discuss what are the problems we face. We will find solutions, and these panel discussions are going to repeat all over the country. After that, ISRE will come with a guideline, which will be a good reference material for all, so that we will make India green and energy efficient as well as environmental friendly for our youngsters coming in the field of air conditioning as well as the other allied services. Bangalore, we are going to have it on 26th, 27th, 28th of February 2015 at Bangalore International Exhibition Center. Yes, there will be a lot of, it will witness almost around 20 to 25,000 visitors. There will be a lot of exhibitors, approximately 2,000 exhibitors will be from abroad, and I can tell approximately there will be 10,000 visitors from abroad. And it has been endorsed by ASHRAE. ASHRAE is American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, that has almost 55,000 members in the world, whereas ISRE we have almost 12,000 members in the country, as well as we bring in young blood. We have almost 4,000 student members into the ISRE fold. Yes, by and large, as I have told you, each and every application requires air conditioning. Air conditioning means don't think that it is only cooling. It can be ventilation. You talk about now metro, we require a lot of ventilation. When we go into a tunnel, we require ventilation. When you go into a toilet, when you go into a kitchen, we require ventilation. More than that, refrigeration is a very big field. Whatever the harvest produced, we import from abroad, all has to be stored properly. So refrigeration also plays a big role. Yes, with the recession, there has been a little decrease in that, but I can tell you, not like IT, this is a core sector. Yes, there is ups and downs, but it's not affected to that extent. But I can tell you, Bangalore, the growth has been phenomenal. Thanks to that, you also would have read in paper that Bangalore is booming on houses and apartments and all. A lot of homes are coming. Now these high-end homes, there has been a huge requirement of air conditioning on that. and almost 35% of the requirement in the country is from Bangalore.